I didn't find many use cases for approval process with Apex. The only possible scenario is a custom button in Lightning Web Component for some reason, or custom field on a record page, preferably right under the field you wanna edit. In this case, the user will not forget to start approval process. And maybe if you want to assign approval randomly. Let's create approval process for account record using Jumpstart Wizard. Any name, no entry criteria, choose approval manually, besides the record log, we will change the account type field value to pending. I already added prospect, customer and pending fields to the account type pick list when I did approval process with Flow. And this is it, activated. Next step is to add a pick list with the 3 values: submit, approve, reject. Save. And put it right under the type pick list. To avoid this error, enable Apex locking and unlocking under the process automation settings. Save. So we have very simple after update trigger. I will not type the code from scratch to save time. When the picklist value changes, it calls the relevant method in approval service class for submit, approve or reject. In submit account method, we get users we want to be an approver. In my case, they are system administrators to save time. Otherwise, I have to check rights and permissions for selected users. Then we get the IDs for these users. And we need a random number based on the size of the list. Now we have a random approver. To notify this user, we need email and name. Next step is to send email to the approver. Next is the approval logic itself. Do not forget to provide the exact API name of the process and skip entry criteria. We don't have any. Next method is to get approval process instance work item based on account ID. Next two methods, approve or reject the approval request. The code is basically the same. The only difference, set action to approve or reject and change the type picklist value to customer if approved or back to prospect if rejected. And obviously we have to get account from database again because we cannot update record received from after update trigger. Okay, let's check it out. Type customer, status submit, save. I logged in as a system administrator and I do not see any notifications. It means the random approver is another system administrator from my org. Let's find this person. Login as Linda. Email received. Same with notification. We do not use approve or reject standard buttons. Instead, we will update status picklist value. Record is logged for other users, and type picklist value is pending. Let's approve the request. Save. Account type is customer now. That's it.